In this video, we want to show you how to integrate effective feedback techniques into your OneNote. So to begin with, I'm going to start off by inserting a Microsoft form straight into my OneNote page. So I've got my physical geography task here. I'm going to ask my students to complete that. In the insert menu at the top, you will see at the right hand side here I've got forms. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click underneath my text, so my cursor is flashing down there. I'm now going to select the forms button, and it automatically starts to drag some forms which live in my Microsoft 365 account. So if this is one of the forms you want to insert, then you just click over here and insert. You can edit it first, or you can start a new form or a new quiz, and forms will open in a new tab for you. I'm going to insert the physical geography quiz, so just going to select this one here, insert that, and you will see that Microsoft form is embedded into my OneNote, which is awesome for students to complete. They don't have to go anywhere to complete that. The second feature I want to show you is inserting a reflect into your OneNote. So to do that, I'm going to go to the class notebook tab up the top, cross this one off, and in class notebook here you'll see reflect is in the middle. I'm just going to pop this at the side this time. So if I move my cursor over here and I click on the reflect option, again a pane's going to pop up on the right hand side of your screen, and it gives you some options about what you want your students to reflect on. So I'm going to focus on the understanding of this content. So the check-in question is, how well do you understand? And I'm going to change this to physical geography lesson. Then I'm going to click add to check-in page, and you'll see if I cross off this pane, see that my reflect is also going to be embedded into my page. So students can click on that link and it will take them to the reflect page, and they can complete that quick reflection for me, and all the data will be stored and can be analysed, and we can track that, which is hugely useful. The final piece of feedback that I want to show you is a bit of audio feedback. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to go into one of my student spaces. I'm going to go into Alex's space here. I've got on the physical geography task, and I am going to go back to my insert menu. You'll notice here audio is actually sort of blurred out a little bit, but that's because my cursor is flashing in my title. So if I click across here to the right hand side, you'll see my cursor's moved and the audio has become live. If I press the audio button, it's going to start an audio recording. Jump straight in there. So this is the feedback that I would be leaving for Alex. Hey Alex, realise that you've struggled with this task a little bit. I think we should check in at the start of the next lesson, and I can give you a bit of extra support with that. Thanks. Hit stop. And then my audio recording will also be on this page. Now, because I have completed this audio recording in Alex's own student space, only Alex hears that recording. So in the previous examples with reflect and with the forms, they were completed in the content library space. So you can see my reflect is there and my forms is here. When I distribute that to students, they will get those embedded. But if I jump back into Alex's space here, then this audio recording is at the side here. I always used to put a little explanation about what that audio recording is, which link nicely into tags in another video that we're going to make. Thanks for listening, hope you found that helpful. This is Jim from Using Technology Better.